Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change clothes color in Lightroom. One major use of Lightroom is to change the clothes color without changing the color of the person in the clothes. However, to do this, you have to be a premium user on Lightroom. Alright, so once you've subscribed as a premium user, log in into your Lightroom account and then select the picture that you would like to change the color of the cloth. After selecting the picture and the picture has been opened in the detail page, next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen where icons such as actions, presets, crop, uh, edit, marks, and then remove. So you would have to click on the max icon. So like I said, you have to be a premium user to be able to do this. So once you have upgraded your account and you select max, then tap selective on the max page and then choose brush. So you use the brush to paint over the clothing area. All right, and that would highlight the fact that you want to work on the clothing. Then tap color and reduce saturation to remove the original color. After the original color has been removed, then tap the color swatch to pick a new hue. Adjust exposure, tint, and temperature for realism. And then just like that, the cloth color in your Lightroom account would be changed. So that's how to go about it. All right, ensure you practice this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.